In this video, we're going to look into a comparison between ChatGPT Team versus ChatGPT Plus. So let's get into the video. So what are these ChatGPT Plus? Okay, ChatGPT Plus is actually a subscription plan intended for individual users who want enhanced access and performance from ChatGPT. It's like beyond what the free tier offers. Okay, like features like priority access, faster responses, and all those things. Just an advanced plan, a paid plan. Okay, whereas ChatGPT Team here, actually, it's a plan designed for teams and businesses because it's like multi-users in the business, in the sense like multi-users to use the ChatGPT collaboratively, like with admin tools, shared workspaces, enhanced privacy, security, and features tailored to group the workflow. So this is the basic two different things of plans of ChatGPT. So let's look into some of the key features of each of these plan here. So so the ChatGPT Plus. So if you look into these two plans here, the ChatGPT Plus is intended for individual users, and you have access more to the GPT-4 model and other advanced models, and you have priority access during high demand times, and also you have personal workspace and individual chats. Okay, and you have admin. There's no admin access, only user level access. Whereas ChatGPT Team here, it's actually intended for groups or small businesses. So you work in a team. Okay, that's what it's meant to. And you have the model access is pretty much the same. You have GPT-4 access and other advanced model access, and also the priority access is similar priority, like same as the ChatGPT Plus. So the sharing, you have a shared workplace where you can share histories, folders, ChatGPT prompts, and all those things because they can work together. Okay, and you have like admin console and admin users where you have an admin have the access to all of those things. And in the plus version, you can create and share. You can share like custom chat gpts. You can create it and share it, but not to external links. Okay, whereas in the teams version, you can you can share, and also you can do version controls of the custom gpts. Okay, and both ways, like the data privacy is fine both ways. They have standard privacy policies on both the things. And the billing, in terms of billing, so this is for individual user. The plus is billed per account per user, whereas this is billed per seat or per user within the team plan. Okay, that's the difference. And also the some extra features like fast response and advanced models are available on the plus option. And also there are some plus features and team features also, like shared tools, integrations, all those things available on the team version. So let's look into the pros and cons of the ChatGPT Plus. So ChatGPT Plus, the pros are it upgrades your personal usage with access to more powerful tools. You have obviously better performance and reduced waiting time, especially during peak hours. And there is low cost per individual user compared to the team seats, so it costs slightly less. And it's simple to set up. It's just one user, very simple to set up. The issue is that there is no built-in collaboration or team tools, so you can't really work as a team. And you manage all your data and prompts individually, so you just have to do it by yourself, everything. And there is no admin dashboard or role controls available here. And if you're working in a team, like sharing prompts or gpts is more manual, so there's no dedicated ways to do that. And the chat gpt team here, so on the other hand here, so it has the pros where you can collaboration features where you can share workspace, chat histories, and gpts and all those things. And you have admin tools where you user managements, you can manage roles, billings, and all those things as an admin tool available. And also you have enhanced data privacy, the team data by default excluded from the model training, which is pretty good. And it's designed to grow with your team, and it has the integrations able to integrate to connect internal sources, so ChatGPT can give more contextually relevant responses. The issue with that is higher cost, because that's the thing, obviously, because it has more features, so more cost compared to the other version. And also there is more complexity in setup and management, and the dependence on all team members to stay within usage limits and policies, so something that the team members needs to be keep an eye on. And in some instance, performance or features differences may arise when many users are active, so that happens as well. So it's one of the cons. And here is a quick comparison between these two plans here. So the plus version is best for individual users and for personal projects. You can collaborate, there is no admin tool, and you have access to all the GPT-4 and faster models, and you have faster response as well. And there is the data training and privacy is pretty standard, and the cost is fixed. It doesn't change like frequently or anything. It's very simple to use, like the standard chat gpt. uh, it's very simple to use, the user interface, and it's good for individuals. Okay, so it's good for individuals. So the standard one is pretty similar to your the normal chat gpt, not a chat gpt prompt, where you just simply give prompts and it will do the job for you. So it's pretty simple, similar to the free plans. It's very much similar to the free plans. Whereas whereas the ChatGPT Teams, actually it's best for teams or small company, or people who wants to work as a team, like for collaborative workflows. That's where it's best for. You have the ability to share workspace, and you can share your history, and also the chat GPT prompts and responses and all those things. And there will be one admin console who can control like the roles, billing, management, and within the team, this person can do all those things. It's an admin console. The model access is pretty much same for both, and also you have priority and capacity for the team users as well. So that's pretty much similar. Okay, and the team data is excluded from training by default, so which is pretty good in terms of privacy. And also this is like the cost is like it's paid per seat for the plus, sorry, for the team. It's paid per seat, so there is more admin overhead, so it's comparatively more expensive. Okay, and also compared to the plus version, this one is that you need more stuff to set up with, because they have much richer and better features. So obviously it takes a little bit more, a little more of the learning curves, where you need to set up everything initially, especially if you're using within the team. So you have that option here. Okay, and the scalability, so this is actually better for growing teams. As I mentioned earlier, this is actually for teams or small teams, when you're like, work on a collaborative learning and something like that. Okay, so that's basically what this is for. Okay, it's actually designed to scale across multiple users, like that's why they have like more cost, and more, it's actually there are more utility for the teams, so that's why it even costs more and it has more features. Okay, and that's basically pretty much it is. I hope this information video was helpful. I'll see you in a new video.